All right, welcome back to the channel, boys. I was scrolling through Reddit and I was trying to figure out what I could look at. What would you guys really enjoy? And I found a very silly but very funny subreddit, r/ReverseAnimalRescues. Now, what this is basically animal rescues, but in reverse and with funny captions. So let's just dive straight into the subreddit. So I have watched the first 2 or 3 and it's so stupid and it's really funny. So man gives frog a big snack. So obviously it's a guy saving a bird from a frog. That's essentially what it is. And this is what the subreddit is. It's just so stupid. Heartless dog removes innocent goldfish from life source and leaves it to die on the floor at the mercy of the household cat. It's so dumb, I love it. Cruel man forces a plastic bottle down poor bird's throat. He's just like, my god. Oh my, she really, I said she. That bird really swallowed that. Damn. Man beats a shark with his bare hands. This might honestly be the best subreddit I've ever found. Everyone's there to take pictures of him taken out of the water. Nice, that's what I like to see. No more horses. Ah! No, they're trapping the horse underneath the grates. Ah, how could they? Cruel man throws distressed bald eagle back in the water. He's looking at him. Get the fuck back in there. He looked at me funny. Oh, he's really struggling. It's just the way he looks at him after he saved him. Elephant mother chases men who trapped her calf. Oh, I've actually seen this one in forwards motion. If that, that's a really hard, like, what? What even was that sentence? You're fucking saying there, you dickhead. Oh shit. It's actually crazy how clever elephants are. Evil man abandons kitty in the sea. No! How could you? You monster! Absolute monster abandons kitten beneath the bridge. He's actually getting quite sad now. No! 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 How could you? No! Oh. No! It's so sad. The villager steals a baby soul. Someone carelessly left out a net on the ground for a land fish to get caught in. Oh my god, it's bear like sucking up. Whoa. Hey, yo. This is great. All right, one more and then we'll go to the top of all time. Let's find a good one. This mean person casually removes a baby bird from their nest to put them on the ground. No! No! He's so... Oh, he's so cute. Aww. Why are you so afraid? Oh! The dog would have scared the shit out of him. Poor tortoise was wrapped up in fish wire. They wrapped him back up. Oh no. So mean? All right, let's go to the top of all time. Sick mum uses choking device to silent child so she can stay on the phone. Bush. Little fucker. Sick people throw cat into the air at sports match. Have it. No. Coast Guard forces deer to live out in the sea. It's just so stupid. No! Not Bambi! No! The bloody Coast Guard. Damn, it's evolved. It's evolved. It can live in the sea. Installing a new Meowfler in the Tesla. Aww. Oh, that's a little kitty. Oh! Oh! This subreddit is so bad. This subreddit is so bad. Kitten misbehaves and is sent into the hole. Oh, but it's so cute. Oh my days. No. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. No. Not the kitty. No. It's so sad. No. They had to get another angle of it going in. One more. We'll do one more. When you toss the kid a little bit too high. Oh, shit. That's not a good one. Let's end on a better one. This poor mouse. Oh, no. How's that even happened? How has that even happened? What? When standing in the corner, it's not enough. Okay. Oh my god, they're just yeeting him out. There you go. Stay there, mate. Stay there. Have a good time. You hang out. Jesus Christ. Alright, anyways, that has been r/ReverseAnimalRescue. If you guys did enjoy that, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what other subreddits I could show you guys and react to. I have not seen many subreddits, so do let me know. Remember, I also do have a subreddit of myself, r/JMLorx, so make sure you get on there and you could be in the next Reddit recap video. Right, boys, see you guys in the next video. Peace.